So this is how we can turn the focus mode on and off on the iPhone. So let me show you how it all works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first you can go to the settings app and see the focus modes, which is the place to customize them and set up the individual filterings and features for that focus mode. But fundamentally you can turn it on from the control center, whatever you happen to be doing at that moment, you can get it there. And when you click on focus mode, like the big platter there, you can see so many focus modes appear. So you need to select the one which you want to enable, and it turns like a different color, indicating that the mode is turned on. You can of course click on it again to stop the mode from being active, right? So this is how you can turn it on or off. It is from the control center. Keep in mind, however, that if you already have the mode enabled, you don't have to expand the whole focus mode within the control center, because you can click on the circle icon and it will turn it off right away, right? Because if you click on the big button there, it will open the view for all focus modes. But when you click on the small circular icon, it will turn it off right away, right? So that is how we can do this. So yeah, and outside of that, you also have the smart activation, which is like a scheduling or, making sure that the mode gets turned on automatically, so you don't have to click it manually, right? And this can be set up inside of the settings, and it kind of depends on the specific focus mode. For example, the driving one has the ability to be turned on whenever I connect to the car Bluetooth. The gaming focus can be set up when I connect to my wireless controller, right? But all of the focus modes can be also scheduled by time, location, and even app. So when you open up some app, you can start that mode automatically. So as you can see, so many ways how you can turn it off and on. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.